This is Gideon Williams, and this is my ME305 final project. You can use keypad to lock the door, or I can use the keypad to type in the code to unlock the door. I can also press the star and scan my RFID tag, which will unlock the door. If a RFID tag or card which is not recognized by the system is scanned, it will lock the door. I can also use the keypad to tell the temperature in my room. And here it is. This is how it works. It turns the locking mechanism on the back of the door when I tell it to lock, and when I tell it to unlock, it turns it the other way.